Hey, I'm JD. If you are into history, well, you might already be familiar with my other YouTube channel, The History Underground, home of the series History Traveler and American Artifact. And in History Traveler and American Artifact, we learn about history by visiting historic places and looking at historic objects. And in watching the videos on that channel, well, there might be times where you've thought, man, I wish this guy would stop yapping and just show me the sights. Well, that's what this channel, History Traveler Walking Tours, is all about, where we are going to be traveling to all kinds of different places of historic and cultural significance and just walking the ground and seeing the sights. So if you want to see different historic spots and be able to look at it without any commentary, or maybe you were just looking for some ambient audio while you're working around the house or while you're at school, well, then be sure to subscribe to this channel and catch all of the new episodes when they come out.